Good morning, everyone. Scott Davis here at the Ocean City Fishing Pier, right by the inlet. And what perfect of an opportunity to talk to you a little bit about phishing emails. You know, phishing. Phishing emails are very real of a threat, even still today. COVID-19 threats continue to happen. They're still coming in record numbers because there's still a lot of unknown with what's going on with COVID, work from home, security, everything else. So continue to keep an eye out on those COVID-19 related phishing emails. But the fishers are getting smarter. They know people are keeping an eye on it. So they're getting more ingenious and they're looking for more ways. You know, remember, a phishing email is designed to trick you, is designed to catch you, and it relies on your emotions. So it could be an Amber Alert, it could be this, it could be that. They're designed to get you to click the link. After you click the link, remember, take a look at the URL. Is the URL legit? Use the hover over, see what the URL is. I've even seen some phishing emails that the link takes you to the right website, but if you call the 800 number, it's actually not the 800 number for the bank. So phishing emails continue to be a real threat and still one of the leading causes of ransomware and just overall cyber attacks. So keep your eyes open, stay fresh with your email, take some cybersecurity training, watch more of the Morning Breach videos, and stay safe online. So that's what I got for you here real quick. 90-second clip. Enjoy, stay safe online, everybody.